In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to Trello cards. If you've ever wanted to keep related files right where your tasks live, this is the simplest, most reliable way to do it. We're using Trello's built-in drag and drop feature, which lets you move a file straight from your desktop onto a card, and Trello handles the rest. Start by opening your Trello board and locating the card you want to attach a file to. You can either drop a file directly onto the card from the board view, or click the card to open it and drop the file inside the card window. To make this easy, arrange your desktop so you can see both your file and your Trello window. On Windows or Mac OS, click and hold the file you want, then drag it over to the card. When you see the card highlight or a prompt that indicates you can drop the file, release your mouse. Trello will immediately begin uploading. You'll notice an upload indicator showing progress. Keep the browser tab open until it finishes. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file appear on the card, often with a thumbnail or an icon that matches the file type. That visual cue confirms your attachment is safely stored with the task, so anyone who has access to the card can find it quickly. A quick note on size limits so you don't run into surprises. On the free plan, Trello supports files up to 10 MB each. On paid plans, that limit jumps to 250 MB per file. If your file is larger than your plan allows, try compressing it, exporting a lighter version, or breaking it into smaller parts before dragging it onto the card. Even modest reductions in image or video resolution can bring the size under the limit without noticeably affecting quality for most use cases. You're not restricted to a single file either. If you need to attach multiple items at once, select them all on your desktop and drag them together onto the card. Trello will queue them and upload each in turn. Upload time depends on file size and your internet speed, so give larger files a moment to complete. If the drag and drop doesn't respond right away, refresh your Trello tab and try again, or briefly click the card to make sure it's active before dragging. Also, confirm the file is saved locally on your computer rather than just a shortcut, since only actual files will upload. And that's it. Drag from your desktop, drop onto the Trello card, wait for the upload to finish, and your attachment is ready to go, right where your work happens.